Want to know how to farm resources with an invincible army? So, sending your full army together is the number one mistake that gets beginners wiped off the map. So, do this instead. So, if your army is fighting, your gathering team is something else. Create a separate march consisting of a single low tier commander leading nothing but the fastest unit you have, usually cavalry. This is tiny and send this tiny worthless march together. Why? This is because of risk management. Yes, you have to think big in the game itself. If a big enemy player sees it and attacks, they get almost zero rewards and it also becomes a bait for you as well. So your main fighting power stays safe at home. And that's it. You gather 90% of the resources with 1% risk. This is how you grow while everyone else gets plundered. I hope this video helped. Make sure you protect your power, farm with pawns, and like and subscribe for more of these videos. See you in the next one.